Hey, this is David McKay, and I am out here on Cape Lookout Island in North Carolina photographing this beautiful lighthouse. And there's just so many vantage points to photograph out here. We got a great day. We've got beautiful puffy clouds. One of the things that's going on here is that we have different walkways that are throughout the island, these wood walkways, and they make great leading lines. Rather than just zooming right in on the lighthouse itself, creating a story with these leading lines can be really great. One of the things that happens though is people tend to put the horizon line, which is actually the tops of the green trees back there, they tend to put that right in the middle of their image. And what happens is we can use this walkway here, and if we tilt the camera down, I'm going to simply tilt the camera down, and it's going to allow the viewer to walk into my scene. So I'm going to use this walkway as a leading walkway that's going to lead them in. I'm going to put the lighthouse up more on the third of the left, and now the viewer will walk in, walk through, and walk into where the lighthouse is up on the third of the image. And it's so simple. All we do is just tilt that camera down, a little bit more of a wide angle lens, and I'm simply using the leading lines of the lighthouse. As you can see here, it's leading you in, and I'll post this photo as well. And so that's just a quick tip that it's really something simple that can really make your images a lot stronger compositionally.